Welcome to the 5th edition of IAM Future Chef Goa 2017, where young chefs will try their hands-on to impress our judges and stand a chance to win the title. A new day, a new beginning. Day 1 saw participants battling out with each other. Day 2 will be similar one. Post-registration, they all walk towards the briefing room, where Chef Shruti is there to brief and make them comfortable. From the briefing room, they all head towards battleground. Before they enter, let's take a look at the courses offered and life of student at IAM.
My name is Nupur Bhaumik and I teach front office in IAM college. Hotel management is all about dedication, then creativity, hard work and positivity. We in IAM, we craft our course in such a way that the student get lots of exposure. Past 3 years, IAM is awarded Best Hotel Management College from Prime Time. We have dual degree, one is an Indian and one is a foreign. Indian degree is BTS from IGNOU, that is Indira Gandhi National Open University, and foreign is UWL, that is West London University. Foreign degree has got one option where in third year you can go to London for internship. We also have diploma courses, that is short course, 1 year course, where students get diploma. We have 100% placement throughout India. Our students are also placed abroad and they are doing really well. We have lots of contact with different chain of hotels, and every year they recruit lots of students. If you really want to be in hotel management, this is the place to be.
Hi, my name is Gavin Ebrio and I am a final student of IAM College. I came across IAM College during my 12th boards when I was researching for great hospitality industrial colleges. When I came over here, I found out that this college is really good and I decided out of all the colleges to finally join them. I had completed my industrial training from Goa Marriott's and it helped me a lot in my career. Now IAM after 3 years has introduced me to my dream job, which is Qatar Airways. In a few months time, I'm going to join Qatar Airways as cabin crew member. In this college, in my 3 years experience, I have met a lot of important people also. I have met Chef Ranbir Bra, Chef Sean and many other general managers of various hotels. So if you want to pursue your career in hospitality industry, I would suggest you all to join this college immediately.
Are you all excited to be here? Little bit scared? All right. See, basically, you're gonna get 1 hour of time in which you'll be, asked to collect your ingredients. You can see pantry behind you. All of you, just see behind. There's a pantry. You can go and collect all your ingredients that you feel like that you want to use today. You will be getting 10 minutes for that. All right. Within that 1 hour of time. Is that clear? As you're finishing your cooking and you're reaching towards the end of your preparation, give 5 minutes of time for your plating. All right, since we are judging you on your food, your plating, your taste and everything, so please divide your time, 1 hour of time, by giving 10 minutes for your ingredients to get those things. Prepare your food and give last 5 minutes for plating your food. All right, you all have one basket under your station. Each station there is one basket, empty basket, that you have to use it for going and getting your ingredients. The student next to you, standing next to you, is a buddy. He's going to help you in getting any ingredient that you feel like, or assisting you in something, getting any equipment or something like that. But they will not assist you in cooking. All right? Is that clear? Okay. At the count of 3, your time will start. Is that okay? Everybody is confident and comfortable? All right, buddies, you're okay? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
After the instructions of Chef Bhushan, they all head towards pantry area to get their ingredients. god lies in detailing. The more focused you are, the less time one would end up wasting while cooking. It's the meticulous planning that is one of the quality which will make them future chefs.
So what are you making today?
Chettinad chicken.
Chettinad chicken. Very good. Where have you learned? So what do you put in this warki roti?
Rava, maida, mixed flour, then ghee, jeera, and black pepper.
Okay. And
Salt.
okay, and then you make normal chapati on the tawa. Okay, fantastic.
It's kind of a puri.
You fry them? Very good. Very good. And how are you planning to make this tikka chicken?
I have to prepare one gravy.
So you're just gonna prepare the gravy and then add chicken into it and you serve it. Okay, all right. No problem. Good. Best of luck.
Hello. You were there last year, right? With us, you were there among the top 10 contestants. You were there? Semi-final, top 20. So what you are making this time? Chicken pulao and raita. Please make a very nice presentation. We really expect something good from you. Okay? Okay. Very good.
As the time runs, the battle intensifies. The rush is on to be the best at the third edition of IAM Future Chef Goa 2017. The contestants are amongst numerous schools that IAM Future Chef team have visited, and only the selected few have made it to the quarterfinals of this competition. Their best will get them stake claim for the prize money that is on offer. As the round 1 goes under judging process, the next batch is gearing for the battle. They all walk the way, some happy, some nervous. The confidence says it all. The process for all the groups would be the same. After briefing, they all walk towards the battleground.
Hope all of you are excited because we're just going to be this a big group together who's going to be cooking. All your buddies together who will be helping you for the kitchen. They will not want to be cooking for you. They will be helping you to let you know about this place. Please talk to them and make them understand. And please keep your place hygiene. Everyone excited? Everyone ready? A little louder. More? Very good. 1, 2, 3.
They all head towards pantry to fetch the ingredients, and buddies are there to guide them at every point. The heat is on and the faces says it all about the hard work they have put in.
What are you cooking today? Dry chicken. Kadai chicken. Okay. Paratha.
Tick-tock, the countdown shortens and the running around takes place. This competition has tested the patience and planning of participants, and it's these skills that will take them to new heights in being the future chef. IAM Future Chef Goa 2017 is the platform to showcase their talents before they take hospitality as a full-time career.
Okay, last 15 minutes.
The delicacies are ready to be tasted. Some bitter and some sweet comments says it all. Criticism will take them ahead in life. It has been a hard day as the third batch arrives and heads to get ready for the competition. These young faces of IAM Future Chef Goa 2017 are the next breed of talent wanting to explore their culinary skills, and this is their beginning. Last couple of years, IAM has been at the forefront of nurturing the future industry leaders.
Good to see you all here for the competition. I'm sure that all of you are excited. I'm sure about it, right? You all are excited, right? To reach to the top 20 and then from top 20 to top 10. I hope Chef Shruti has briefed you about regarding what you guys have to make today. You all have to make one dish with an accompaniment or anything else you want to make along. There is always an additional marks to that, but it's only for 1 hour. You got a pantry behind where you guys are standing, just at the glass door. That's the pantry. There, look behind. Everyone look behind. That's the pantry behind you. And then you guys, there is a basket below your table. The basket you need to carry and then fetch your things there. Any of our buddies seen to be cooking for the contestant, there will be negative marking. So contestant, you guys have to cook by yourself, not the buddies helping you all. Am I clear? Okay, so best of luck to all of you. Hope so you maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, many of you go to the finals.
3, 2, 1.
Go.
Ready, get, set, go. They all head towards the pantry along with their buddies who would be there to assist them at every point. And so the quest starts from here to impress the judges and be in the finals of IAM Future Chef Goa 2017. Meticulous planning and perseverance is the key in anything.
Asma, how are you? What are you making today? Okay. So who taught you this dish? Your cousin. All right. You cook at home? You like cooking? You want to become a chef? Really? What if your parents say no, you cannot become a chef? Then what you'll do? They'll not say. They want you to become you. They want to see you as a chef.
What are you making?
Spinach potato.
Spinach?
Spinach potato kebab.
Spinach potato kebab. The potato is getting done. What is this?
This is dal.
Dal. And your potatoes are done? Where you'll cook it? There is a partner. Jelson, he needs another range for cooking the potato because it will not get done in 1 hour. Put the potato in some behind one of the range.
Joylin, what are you making today? Potato bhaji and chapati. So why potato bhaji and chapati? It's your favorite. Okay. So do you cook at home or you ask your mother always to make it? You ask your mother. Potato bhaji, you know. So you like eating vegetarian or non-vegetarian food? Complete vegetarian. But you prefer eating vegetarian. That's a good thing. Okay, best of luck.
Very good. What you are making?
Green chili.
Chicken. Grilled chili chicken. And what is this?
This is paratha.
Paratha. Okay, very good. Very good. You need just make her some area so that she can roll well and all. Okay. What are you making?
Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
Koila chicken.
What is it? Koila chicken.
Koila chicken.
What is it?
Actually now I prepared this already.
Okay.
Now what I have to do is I just have to smoke this with
Okay.
coal. It
With
will be
coal.
smoked.
Okay.
The coal will be in steel bowl. I'll add ghee over.
Okay. Did you
What
tell your
coal?
partner about it?
Yeah, I told you.
Okay. Okay. Very nice. Okay. And what you gonna be serving along with this?
Along with this, I'm thinking of serving Bachi chapati.
What is that?
It's a chapati only.
Okay.
But what I do know, I make it. I
You want to roll it?
I roll it.
Okay.
Then I apply ghee on it. And then I fold it.
Okay. Very nice. So that's the coal you're going to be putting?
Yeah.
Very nice. And then you have to cover it along. This one. Okay. You will put
yeah.
ghee along. Very good. You can use a spoon. Yeah. And you can cover it. Excellent. Very nice. Keep it up. What are you making? Chicken? Stew. That's how the form of beef stew. The same one. We got beef as well, no? You gonna make lamb as well. Okay. So you're making a chicken stew. That's why you wanted macaroni? Yeah. Okay, but you can replace this, no? You can, how we make in minestrone soup, we can cut into small slant and he can use the same one. Very good, very nice, very good.
In just a moment of time, these young chefs will be judged by our panel, understanding the nitty-gritties of the dish. It is not easy, but a tough task for everyone to pick the best from the rest.
Baba, what did you make? Google. Understand the flavor of palak. Palak paneer. So palak has to be the dominant.
Okay. You think you will be able to do it in 1 hour?
Hope so.
Okay.
In just couple of minutes, the last match will be judged and the list will be prepared of the semis. Everyone is on their toes to be in the semis of IAM Future Chef Goa 2017 and the participants get to giving finishing touches as they decorate their plate. It's not just the creation, but also the presentation that will matter. It's this quality that will set them apart from an amateur enthusiast to a professional chef that they eventually Of all the 800 tasting sessions conducted across numerous schools in Goa, top 200 participated in quarterfinals of Day 1 and Day 2 at IAM Future Chef Goa 2017. Top 20 will stand a chance to be in the semi-final, which will be showcased in episode 3. Day 2 ends with 4 batches and numerous participants presenting their best. The culinary ride is not over as the best will head to the semis of the competition, where budding chefs will battle it out in one-of-a-kind culinary war, IAM Future Chef Goa 2017. Stay tuned for the next episode as we march towards the finale and crown the IAM Future Chef Goa 2017.